Hi everybody, welcome to Healthy Gluten and Dairy Free Living. I'm going to show you how I make my split pea soup, and the recipe is in the description below. I prepare everything ahead of time and put it in bowls so it's easy for me to cook. And we're going to be using my leftover spiral ham from New Year's Day, and it's the great time to make a split pea soup because we often have a spiral ham around the holidays like Easter or New Year's, and it's kind of cold right now, so it makes a hearty, beautiful meal. Here I'm sauteing my carrots, my celery, and my onion just for a minute or two in 2 tablespoons of my olive oil. And we're not adding too much oil because our ham is going to release a lot of fat into our broth a little bit later. I'm adding a bay leaf and the garlic a few minutes later, and we're just going to saute this for about 15 minutes. Once you've sauteed your vegetables, you're going to add your 2 cups of your split green peas and 8 cups of a liquid. So I'm going to add 4 cups right away of a low sodium chicken broth because my ham already has a lot of sodium in it, and I'm not going to be adding any salt to this recipe. If yours tastes like it needs salt, please add salt at the end. And I'm going to add my ham next. And then I'm going to add the rest of my water after I place my ham into my pot. We're going to simmer this soup for 2 hours, and after the 2 hours I'm going to remove my ham and I'm going to put it on a dish and let it cool, and then I'm going to take off any meat that I could find but not the fat, and I'm going to shred that meat up so it's in bite-sized pieces. So after I chopped up my ham, I returned it to the pot along with 1 large russet or any kind of potato that you might have on hand that I cubed up into small bite-sized cubes, and I'm going to let it simmer for 15 minutes until my potatoes are soft. After about 15 minutes, my potato was nice and soft, and this soup is ready to eat. It is so delicious. I had 2 bowls of it, and I prepared a garlic bread from a Char's baguette that I added some minced garlic and some dairy-free butter, and I cooked it in my air fryer till it was toasted. And this was so delicious. I had 2 bowls of it. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please join me in my next video. Please like and share because it helps to grow my channel. See you then.